In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to use Five9 Studio's task library to be able to create an integration to Salesforce, create a case, and potentially even greet a caller by name. So we'll go to the task library, and I'll use my search function to search for Salesforce. We'll go to this task. So the task library is a list of pre-built applications that you can select from to help jumpstart the ability to use an intelligent virtual agent very quickly in your particular environment. So we'll do the Salesforce ZDC example. We'll call this a demo. This helps with organization, that tagging function. And I will pick US English. We support 120 language variants and multiple text-to-speech voices within those languages. So I'll choose Google WaveNet D. This is a male voice that we offer. In English specifically, we have over 30 or close to 30 text-to-speech voices. All right, so here's your example, and all of the tasks from the task library. You'll notice a comment section where it talks about what the application does, and then there will be a config node or configuration node that populates the variables for this particular interaction. So if we double click on the variable node, you can see that here are your credentials that are required for integration to Salesforce. So your Salesforce administrator or Five9 can help you surface these credentials within your particular environment to facilitate the integration. So rather than share my specific credentials with you, I'll go ahead and just navigate to an existing task that I have that has those credentials populated already. So we're going to go to my list of tasks, and you'll notice that I have over 230 different tasks in my task list. So I'll choose the Salesforce creation. And the reason that that list is so long is I have many different tasks and demonstrations that I've created over time. So you notice that the framework is exactly the same. The only thing that's different is I have credentials for my specific Salesforce environment in this variable node. So this configures the entire task to integrate to my Salesforce instance, which is right here. So I'll go ahead and give this one a call.
Hello, and welcome to our company, Matthew. In a few words, what is the subject of the case you wish to open?
My bulldozer is broken.
Please describe the detail of the case you wish to raise.
My tracks have fallen off.
I'm creating the case for you now. Thanks for holding. The case number is 00004940. Please hold the line if you would like to talk to your account manager about this case.
All right, so that in that example, I was able to use natural language and communicate my issue in just a conversational tone. And you'll notice that this case should be categorized accordingly. So notice I said, yeah, my bulldozer is broken, but I was actually able to identify the subject as a broken bulldozer. This is my particular contact name. This came from a contact record in Salesforce, and then all of the associated prioritization and where that ticket needs to go to. Specifically, this will be the email queue. But in general, that is how quickly you might be able to surface the Salesforce integration. Again, all you need to do is populate this variable node with your specific credentials as it relates to Salesforce. All of the rest is taken care of by the task library. So the framework, error handling, all of that is already existent in this particular task.